Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be preparing pepper soup, Nigeria pepper soup. In here I have my recipe, I have my ginger, tomatoes, which I brought out from the freezer, and crayfish, black pepper, black fish, and this one is my spicy, my seasoning, which I will be using to season. We have the black pepper and cinnamon and grounded ginger. Here, this white one is called starch, and our tilapia, and that is the head of prawns. I really love the taste in the pepper soup. It gives it another flavor. In here, I just went ahead and defrosed my fish, which is I also brought out from the freezer. So in order to defrost very fast, I just went ahead and added some cold water. So I went ahead and poured the tomatoes, which I brought out from the freezer. here in order to put in everything in the container. So it is done and ready to be served. So that's all, guys. It's ready. Welcome and join. Please, guys, subscribe and share.